Are you talking back to me now, Daddy? Are you damn talking to me? What has taken over? You talking to me?
Shut up. Papa, I'm not your maid.
What did you just say? You walking a dangerous line.
I'm your wife.
You what? You know what I can do to you? This is how it is.
Are you serious, Mom?
You're not one woman.
I'm trying to defend you and you push me away?
I'm gonna
You know what? I'm out of here!
I'm gonna catch you. And you know what? My money, without me, you're nothing and you will never be anything. You put your nose against me, I'm gonna leave you. I'm gonna leave you. I'm just gonna pack up my stuff.
I'm happy. You're better off somewhere else. Leave him, Mom. You can go somewhere else. I'll be going in college soon. I don't have to come back with you, Mom. Come on. You have to stay here. You want me to leave your father? Yes. I can't. He's my husband.